Ladies and gentlemen, thank you and thank you and thank you very much for joining us at tonight's annual Eve of Nations. I cannot help but reflect on the incredible performances that we witnessed tonight. It has truly exhibited the vibrant organizations that are represented by the international students here on our campus. And you witnessed it for yourselves tonight. How glad we are that you were able to witness this event with us. You see, one of the most humbling experiences for me this year has been to serve and work alongside all these organizations as we serve the international student community and our university at large. When I got elected as president in April last year, I remember going to my room and I went down on my knees and said a prayer. I prayed to God to give me wisdom and to give me the spirit of humility. And that, I would say, are the two words that best captures what this year has been for me. A year of deep growth and a year of great humility. And to all of us, we have seen what can happen when people come together, when we choose to put aside all our differences and instead use them as a reason for celebration. Our differences are nothing but a great reason to bring us together and celebrate. And that is what this night has been about. And as we walk out of this place, this is what I hope for. I hope that what we saw tonight will not end here. As a matter of fact, it is my hope that this shall be just a continuation or perhaps the beginning of a new journey towards a deeper understanding of those who might seem different from us. It shall be at the beginning of a journey into a deeper understanding of those who might not look like us or have different beliefs from us. Because if this night should tell us something, it is that what makes each and every one of us unique and play an integral part of our community is if we put aside all those differences and come together and celebrate. So we are so thankful, and I hope on behalf of the entire executive committee as I come here and everyone else that we shall walk out of this place with a deeper quest for more understanding. When we have deeper understanding, we are better equipped to change the world. So ladies and gentlemen, let's go out there, get a deeper understanding, and keep making our world a better place. Thank you. And from the entire organizing committee and all organizations, we say thank you and have a very good night. Adios. Thank you so much.